In this video, we're going to go over the Properties tab inside the Extreme Breakouts and Price Action Strategy. And to access that is over here. And the Properties tab is where you can control your capital, your commission settings, and slippage. And what you want to do is set your initial capital to whatever capital you're using for trading. Then you have a base currency. You can set that to whatever you use. I'll be using USD since I'm in the United States. And then order size, if you want to use a set amount of whatever currency you used here, or if you want to use contracts, you can use that. Say, for example, you had $100,000 and you're using $100,000 every time you trade. You would put it in like that. Or if you're compounding or using a percentage of your equity, you can use whatever percent of equity you want to use. If you want to use 100% of equity every time or 50% equity, you would just put that into here. Pyramiding is not used in this strategy, so you can just keep that at 0. Commission, set that to be whatever your exchange takes. If you're using limit or market orders, those could be different. And also don't forget that it's per entry and exit, so you will get charged a fee, commission fee, most likely with your exchange when you enter, when you exit. So make sure this is per trade that you do. This here is not using the strategy. Slippage is only calculating ticks. If you want to calculate by percent, just put it into your commissions. Maybe calculate, just depending on your exchange, how big your order size is. Add that into your commission, so that's calculated in the strategy. And then recalculate down here, you can just have it on every tick, and what that will do is, as price continues to print on every tick that closes, you will have your strategy recalculated. And after orders fill, you don't have to have that selected. So that's how you use the Properties tab for the Extreme Breakouts and Price Action Strategy. Thank you.